We're getting into the modeling industry today. I'm sure if you are like me, you have had that dream growing up where you were on the cover of Vogue, looking hot, looking beautiful, and today we're gonna achieve that dream. So if you guys would have watched my last video, then you would know I just did a makeover for my entire closet room. You should really go watch it. It's a pretty good video. And throughout that makeover, I did tell you I do want to find some wall art to put on the wall that is behind me right over here. I was looking through Pinterest and I found some stuff that I absolutely love, but I just don't want to pay $80 to $100 for it on Etsy. When I'm a DIY girl, I know I can do some craftiness and kind of make it myself. So that brings me into today's video. We are basically gonna take these photos that I found on Pinterest, try and recreate the vibe, recreate the feeling, and I'm gonna eventually get them printed and hang them up on the wall. I have high hopes. This is the photo that I'm not gonna recreate because I don't have a friend here with me, but that inspired the whole idea. So it's just like this cute frame. It has like the newspaper quality. This one, I don't even need to be in the picture. Photos like this one, something kind of like this, you know, like that bold lip. This one, I just feel like the amount of elegance that comes with your hair in a towel, because it's just face card, you know? Like their hair is up, their face card is insane. I do not have the same angles that those beautiful women do, but we're gonna fake it till we make it. Okay, let's get on with the video. The first photo that we are gonna try and recreate is probably the most important one, which are these like towel turban kind of photos. So we are gonna get a white towel. I'm gonna put on a white tank top because I'm not doing the whole like nude thing. Not for me. So for outfit, I could probably just keep my sweatpants on, but we're going for the full experience here. So we're gonna do the entire outfit, even though you're only gonna be seeing here up. First of all, shirt-wise, I wanna look like as glowy and tan as possible, so I wanna wear something white. I am thinking either this white top or this one. This is an American Eagle bodysuit. It's a high neck, so I don't know if it's gonna be right for like getting that glowy feel. And then this is a Dynamite. It's like a V-neck tank top. I think I'm leaning towards this one because I think I wanna be really, really glowy on my chest. And then I think I might also want to have some jewelry. Okay, I convinced myself. Just talking about it, we're not doing this one. For pants-wise, I'm thinking just like a regular jean. Again, you're not really gonna see the bottoms, but just in case we catch a little peek, I want it to look good. So let's go to my vanity and we'll do some hair and makeup. We're gonna start out by just putting some lotion on it, just to get her feeling a little bit more moisturized. And I'm just gonna put it all over my like neck and chest area. We're gonna start out with the L'Oreal Lumique lotion, and I'm gonna kind of put that everywhere. I already wear this on my face every single day, and then I'm actually gonna mix it with some e.l.f. bronzing drops. We are gonna be bronzy. Mix that up on my hand and glow. Okay, so that is on. Next thing that we're gonna put on is That's So Sun Makeup Glowy Skin thing. I'm just gonna shake it first. I haven't used it since like summer. And then you just kind of like, gorgeous. Look at this. Oh my goodness. She is gonna glow like she's never glowed before. And I'm really red because I have very sensitive skin, so the second you touch like anything, it's just red. Next, we're gonna put on just a little bit of this shimmer spray. Oh, that's a lot. That even went onto my face. To make those collarbones really pop, I'm using this really old e.l.f. highlighter just to highlight the collarbone. Back in probably like 2019, 2020, I would take these kind of self-portraits all the time. And I want that old me back. Okay, we are on to the last step, which is hair. This is gonna be the easiest for hairstyle because we are literally just using a white towel. So let's put this on and then we'll set up the location. I've never worried so much about what a towel turban looks like. Normally I'm just coming out of the shower. Are my ears supposed to be showing? That's gonna fall instantly, so we just need to take the photos and get it done. Okay, we are gonna set up in the back corner over here and then take some pictures. So I'm just moving this so I have something to set my camera up on. So we're gonna turn my camera on. Also, I'm gonna take the lens cap off, turn it on, go into my settings, and we're gonna do connect to smartphone. And it's already connected to my phone. This is the app that it will be on. I just need to go into my settings, and it comes up as kind of a Wi-Fi thing. Connected. Then we go to this. So now you can see I can click shoot. And then where I move my camera, it shows me on my phone. And if I click shoot, it takes photo. So we are gonna set this up on that kind of jewelry box to get the good angle, and then I can look at my phone and see how I'm looking. So this is me holding the phone. And then we're gonna kind of sit like this-ish. And you can see I'm just tapping this little button in here and it'll just take the photos. I think I'm gonna try and move it a little bit down. Okay, let's take some photos. So I lowered the blinds because I want to see if we can try and get some with flash in there. Okay, that was better. And I think that is gonna look better on camera. Okay, then we're gonna do some laughing ones. Okay, we're gonna do photo number 2. So I just put on this little necklace. I'm gonna change into a black top, and then we are gonna do kind of an updo sort of moment. This is the dress that we're wearing for photo number 2. It's black, it's midi. I love the neckline because it shows off this necklace. Okay, that could be cute. I just need to like really pin it. I'm just gonna use these clips because you're not gonna see the back of my head. We're really faking it over here. We're gonna pull out a few pieces right in front. This is cute, honest. Oh, what is that? What is that? What is this? I have no idea what these are. Okay, ignoring that. Let's go and take some more photos. Guys, I just feel so put together in like 2 seconds. But this is what the back of it looks like. Not good. I also want a more red lip for these ones. Because I know they're gonna be black and white, so I just want it to like pop. Get back on screen. My legs are killing me from sitting on my knees. Ugh. Okay, I think we got the second one, I hope. I've officially finished shooting those 2 photos. So yeah, I'm gonna upload the photos to my phone and then we're gonna edit them and we'll see how they look. I'm so excited, but I'm also nervous because, you know, we're done taking photos. So I'm like, if I don't like any of them, then I can't use them. So I hope I like them. I know I'm gonna like at least one. So my camera is still on. So we're gonna go back to import images and then I'm gonna select all of the images that we did today. So overall, including some test shots, we took 138 images. So then I'm just gonna import, and this is gonna take probably, I wanna say like 40 minutes. So I'll see you guys once these are all saved. Okay, now that we have the food sorted, so I have these photos in my camera roll. I'm gonna show you which ones I like, which ones I don't like, the process of me deleting them, because 138 photos, I think it was, that's a lot. And we can't keep all of them, you know? We can really only keep 2. So let's narrow it down. These ones I took and they were all kind of out of focus. We're not gonna keep these ones. We are actually just gonna go ahead and end up deleting them because none of them look nice. All the flash ones are pretty good. These ones I took in case I wanted to do one of those lip portraits. So it looks like I'm halfway through sneezing. Not a good look. When I'm editing photos, I just do a really quick run through and I just heart the ones that I think I could potentially keep. You know, just the ones that I'm like, okay, that's sort of cute. My cat is coming in. None of these are in focus. This is horrible. We're still gonna make it work. These ones aren't bad. You know, I have a lot of winners here, I think. This one's horrible. We're deleting that right away. Oh, I love this one. The drama. I kind of like the biting down on the glasses ones. Like, I think that's kind of cute. And these are the ones, so what I'm going through right now are the ones without flash. And you can just see, it just looks a lot less dramatic. Okay, and these ones we can delete. They're just my test shots. Honestly, what a good test shot. Like that highlight, so good. As I'm deleting, I am going through and I'm just keeping ones that I'm like, that could be a maybe from far away, you know? So now we have our narrowed down pics. This is when I start to get really picky. I'll start to kind of crop things. Like now I'm going to compare, like, do I like this one better or do I like this one better? And that's how I narrow it down. I literally like talk myself into what photos I want and what photos I don't want. Next, we are going to go in and use my editing app. The app that I like to use for editing is Lightroom. So I'll go in and I'll immediately start by turning down my exposure and upping my contrast. That alone will give you such a nice finish. But then I go in, I adjust the shadows, I adjust the highlights, the blacks and whites. Basically, you're trying to get as much depth as possible because we know we're going to be turning down the saturation and that is going to change the photo like crazy. So once I get my first picture done, I'm going into the rest of the photos and I am just going to do the exact same edit on all of them. You can kind of copy the settings from the last one. On this photo, you can see I'm kind of trying to sharpen up the eyes a little bit in this image. Obviously, this is not a step-by-step on how to use Lightroom. I use it for a few things, so I kind of know my way around it. But I just tweak the images little by little while still trying to do the same filter on all of them. The one that you see right now, I'm actually re-editing it because I felt like it was too dark for what I wanted the photo to look like. So I'm upping the exposure a little bit, and I think it is ending up looking really, really good. I'm very impressed with how these photos came out, especially once I take them to black and white. I feel like it just gives it that little bit more elegance that I love. Some of them also, you need to know the power that you have in cropping a photo. This photo was fine, like the original of it was okay, it was a little bit off, but as soon as I cropped it, I was like, wow, I actually really like this picture. This photo I love, the sunglasses are so cool. Once again, the power of cropping, it just fills up the whole entire frame, so it doesn't feel so empty. Like this doesn't feel like I took this in my closet. It feels like I could have been at a photo shoot. Now we're on to the towel pictures, which I love. They are so, so cute. I'm so happy with how they turned out. I feel like it does just look like I'm just getting glam, getting ready for an event. I think it's going to go so well with the whole vibe of what I'm kind of going for. And then with these pictures specifically, I did select myself out of the photo just to up the exposure a little bit so there was that separation from the background. I prefer to just work, again, like I said, photo by photo, especially when you only need those 2 or 3 shots, because then it just, you know it's going to look perfect every single time. When you are just tweaking it, adjusting it, I could literally probably sit here for hours and edit pictures. It's just, I keep editing and I just don't know when to stop. So eventually I get to a point where I'm like, okay, Brittney, enough is enough. Like, you've edited enough. It's good. But yeah, you can kind of see going through all these photos, like how everyone is like a little bit different, a little bit more individualistic. And I really like that. I feel like it makes it a little bit harder to choose though. After I'm done with Lightroom, I'm opening up Canva. I found this really cool like fashion newspaper template on there. So I'm actually replacing the pictures that were on there and then all of the words in the first template. And then I went in and did a second one and I deleted basically almost all the words, created my own little paragraph, and just added one photo. Okay, so we ended up with a few photos that I do like, which I'm happy about. So I feel like our top contenders are kind of these 3 pictures. So there's this one, or this one. I also think that I want to do this picture and this picture. I think I'm gonna hang them along with whatever picture we decide on. Definitely vote in the comments which one is your favorite. I personally might have a favorite, but I'm not gonna tell you guys because I wanna see what you think. Thank you guys so much again for coming along with me for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and had fun taking some photos together. If you guys did like this video and you do want to subscribe, definitely do that down below. I have a lot of other videos to go through. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.